Hey, what's up everyone? Aaron Prince checking in. I'm quickly recording this video because as you can see right now, Paperclip is working for me in the background. And as you've seen in my previous Paperclip related videos, I'm all about being extremely lazy, but I've been so lazy that Claude was faster than I was. So I quickly started up this recording. So my idea is I saw a post on X where this guy posted a great post for backlinks with places that you can list your project and get backlinks from it, increasing your domain rating, getting more organic traffic to your business. Like, what if I could automatically have Paperclip and the company handle this for me? So I opened up my VS Code and put Paperclip next to it. As I've also said in my previous videos, my Paperclip's a little bit different. I have some custom implementation, so don't pay attention to those, please. But just run Paperclip naturally. I'm also running a Paperclip app that I'm working on that is open for PR, but that's a whole other story. So I was thinking, wait, the links that the guy provided are great for SaaS regular companies, but not for my specific project. If you've watched my previous videos, the traffic exchange script is a pretty niche thing, that wouldn't make sense to list on Product Hunt really, or any of the other links that he posted. So it's like, what if I just have my SEO guy research it? So I was talking to Claude in the working folder, analyze the company, because it has access, as you can see in the sidebar here, to the Git, the agents, the design, development, all the work that's already been done inside of the company. This way, it has access to that. And as I analyze the company, I want to create an issue for the CEO that it should delegate the task to the head of SEO, that it should start generating backlinks, and that it should research which sites to publish our project on. What should the prompt be? And it wrote a pretty good prompt. I'm like, okay, I'm pretty easy with accepting prompts too. It's like, all right, just, shoot. And if it doesn't work, I'll just try again. And the prompt was good. So I was like, all right. And then it said, do you want me to create this task directly in the API? I was like, lazy Aaron, trigger much. So I was like, yes, please. So it did a few turns, and then all of a sudden it already started working. Let me see. Here it is. Delegate. So directory listing submissions. I haven't even read this, so that's why I'm so quickly trying to talk you and bring you guys with me here into my train of thought. Because again, you should be as lazy as possible. Delegate as much to the CEO and have it handle it for you. So let's see. Unpause, which is a little trick that I do. I have the CEO pause and unpause agents to save tokens, heartbeats, etc., etc. Watch my other videos on Paperclip for that. And assign the following research task objective, build a prioritized link of backlink acquisition targets, directory listing, backlink search opportunity, 15 quick win targets. Important to know outreach mission should be autonomously research and list. All outreach requires final approval. I'm pretty nitpicky with this. I'd rather approve it first, rather than have it autonomously go out and just do it. Commit deliverables to main content rule, no PR, pause self upon completion and email CEO confirming deliverables are ready. Awesome. All right. So based on that, it now put the head of SEO to work and actually added a backlog for that. So I'm not really sure why it created a backlog. So it might be something in my prompts, but I'm going to put this to do, which kind of defeats the purpose, right? So we need to adjust the agents a little bit. What is this? Here we go. Deliverables, marketing, research. All right. So this is, again, it's already, going out and doing it, but I just wanted to show you that, even things like SEO can be handled for you through Paperclip, through the company organization that you built. If in your project you don't have a head of SEO yet, or an SEO guy, whatever you want to call it, consider adding one. Discuss with your CEO even to see if it makes sense of your project. And especially if now, in real life, right, you're hiring an SEO company. This could, either cut costs or replace it completely, depending on how you organize your structure, in terms of that. Because again, as you can see in my sidebar here, I have a head of SEO and support, sales, CMO, and design, and these all work together to the head of SEO and the marketing officer create the plans to publish content on a regular basis, because I don't want stuff to go out, because obviously AI can produce 20 articles in one go and then publish everything all together, which doesn't really look natural. So I've actually had this team create a whole content plan on the blog publishing pipeline. In this case, as you can see, it is systematically and autonomously publishing the content. And then I will also show you, I have also created specific skills for, as you can see here, for the blog writing, for the CMO, the sales and support. And these agents are specifically instructed to use these skills upon firing and where needed. So whenever CMO does write content, it does it according to that skill. So it matches the tone of voice, what I want to achieve with the company, etc. But I've also seen a lot of people ask questions about how do I use skills with Paperclip. And yes, there are things in the works for specific agent skills. I have yet to dive into those, same as routines. I'm very interested in routines. But I just haven't, I didn't dive into it yet. But I think that a lot of things that are reoccurring can be scheduled as routines eventually, or maybe already, but eventually once this is out of beta for sure. Highly recommend looking, trying to keep up with all of this. But the skills thing is really important too, because it'll really help you create the output and the quality that you're looking for, that you're after, right? You have the standard operating procedures, the SOPs, right? My wife's really into those. If I look at here, today is the 23rd. I didn't even know that this article was published yet, but this was published earlier today. There are some things like there's no author set yet, so I need to adjust the agents and the prompts a little bit. But if I'm correct, there even should be, I'm not sure if it's done for that one yet, but there should also be even social images automatically created based on the style that we have set for this company. So let's quickly dive in here real quick and check this out. Let's go to posts. You can see it sets the keywords to, let's go to edit. And did he do it? I don't know. I haven't checked. Let's see. Yes, there we go. How to monetize a traffic exchange. And that's actually the title of the article as well. So depending on how much time you invest in setting up your agents, your skills and stuff like that, you can really have Paperclip autonomously run this business for you. I think I'm going to cut it short there, because right now it's doing all the research, and maybe I'll, if you follow me on X, x.com/Aaron Prinz, or just at Aaron Prinz, feel free to follow me there. I will post some updates there and see how this tunes out. But I'm highly confident that either with the Claude Chrome integration or the dev skill, the dev browser skill, I'm pretty sure that this is going to be autonomous and fully actually work. If you need any help in your business, let me know. I'm available for consulting. You can reach me on X as well. Feel free to tweet me if I don't respond, because my inbox is kind of flooded. So it might land in requests, which I don't always check. But happy to talk, happy to just shoot the shit, just to see where we're at, where you're at, and maybe if we can do something cool together. Or if you just need a little push to get Paperclip running inside your business. That's it for today's video. Aaron Prinz checking out, and I hope to see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.